Stephanie. I know it's been a very long time since I did my last unboxing, but today I got a bag that I've always been wanting. So if you want to see what I got, then please keep on watching. And I also got a bonus accessory at the end to unbox, so if you want to see what it is, then keep on watching. Okay, so I literally just came back from the mall from getting this bag, and you can actually tell because I still have the mask line on my face. But essentially this is something that I've always wanted, on and off, but I never took the plunge, and whenever I wanted it I would never be able to get it. So then my friend Jessica came through and was able to order me one with her SA at her Hermes store. And essentially, without having to make you wait any longer, let's just unbox this so I can show you what's inside. Okay, so let me see if I can do this with one hand. So you've got the box, and then the tissue paper. Oh my goodness. And inside we have got, ta-da! The 31 Retourne all black Herbag. So I 100% was super shocked that I got the one with the all black hardware as opposed to one that had the full silver or the full gold hardware. I was, you know, having a little bet with Jessica before I picked up the bag to see whether I was gonna get the silver or the gold one, but I guess we were both wrong because I got the black one. So this is the bag with the strap and then the top handle. We can, I guess, rip everything together so I can show you the bag in its full glory. But yeah, so essentially I've always wanted this bag, been back and forth about it, never was able to get it when I wanted it, but now that I, you know, was like, you know what, I don't think I've gotten a bag this year or made any big purchases, so why not give it a shot and see if Jessica's able to help me out and get me a bag. And so she did. So the stuffing, and then we got the lock and the key. And then again, this bag also comes with its own little pouch inside that is not detachable. But essentially, this is size 31, not 39. Full leather, I think cowhide at the top. And then canvas material all around. We've got the bag at the back with the easy to reach zip compartment, because I know one of the problems with this bag is having to get in and out of it because the lock's kind of, you know, annoying, but who cares? Essentially, let me show you the hardware close up again. I got the all black one. It's even black on the sides. It does come with a leather strap, top handle, and then like I previously said, it comes with a pouch inside. Also canvas material in the inside, so essentially if you do spill or get anything in the bag, you will be able to wipe it and not have to worry that it is leather. And then since we have the lock and the key here, why don't we put that in together? Like I said, it comes with the key and the lock. So then let's put that on the bag as well. Ooh, I'm so excited. Like, you don't even understand. I think I've been wanting this bag back and forth for like a good 3 years now, but I just never took the plunge or had the patience to go find it. Oh my god, why did I just lock it? Hold on. So close up of the lock, you've got the Hermes H detailing. The keys also is made out of silver as well. And then let's put it on the back. And then I'm planning to hang it here, and then we can put the key at the front. See, Jessica's hands. A little assistance with the key. So yeah, so this is her bag. Also 31. Her bag, also in 31. But when we took it out of the box, it did seem a lot bigger, and I think it just has to do with the color and the fact that she does have an organizer inside, so it does look more full. which gives it, you know, more structure and more volume, so it looks a little bit bigger. Like even on camera here, you can see it looks a little bigger, but it's essentially the same size. Okay, and then for this bag, I also got a twilly. I'm not gonna put it on right now, but essentially it is a blue and gold detailed twilly. So you can see at the end, you've got the Hermes Paris, black with gold detailing, and blue going through, blue and white going through the whole twilly. So you can just envision how this would look around the handle. Since you've got the black detailing, it really pulls the bag together with the gold and the blue and the white as well. So essentially it'll look like this if I were to do it properly. You've got the gold and the blue detailing going through the bag. And then, as I mentioned before, I've got the bonus unboxing, which is from Chanel. So before our appointment, we had some time to kill, so we popped into Chanel to see what goodies they had to offer. Essentially, this was stuck on the wall when we walked in, and then I turn around and then it disappears because another customer was looking at it. Too bad for her, she walked away without holding onto the bag because I snatched it right out from her. I don't know if I should be like gloating about this, but essentially she did not seem interested in it anymore, so I just took it to take a look. And then 5 minutes later, her SA tells our SA that the customer actually was wondering if I was gonna take the bag or else she would have. And because of that moment, or because of that statement, I just instantaneously made the decision that I was gonna get it because I was still on the fence. Long story short, I just like to have what other people can't have. So then that's why I got this bag. But honestly, it is something that I would use anyways. And I was just saying to my SA that should I take it, since, you know, technically I didn't see it first, but then she was the one who was saying, oh, who cares, like just say yes and then I'll wrap it up for you quickly at the back so that it is yours. So then without, you know, the further awaiting, I'll just show you what I got. Okay, so it is the, did it always come in pouches like this?
I have no idea if I
yeah,
like those
okay.
pouches.
But essentially, this is the dust bag it comes in, drawstring, one-sided drawstring. Oh, it's not even drawstring. So this is the now present dust bags. Maybe it is like this now. Maybe I just haven't bought from Chanel in too long, but this is it. Okay.
What did it used to come?
I don't know, like a covering, no? Or was that LV?
I think that's just for bags.
Okay, but essentially I just picked up a white pouch with gold hardware. It looks so fresh, so chic. Like honestly, my biggest concern and the thing that was putting me on the fence was whether or not this is gonna turn yellow. I asked the SA straight out and she low-key did not give me an answer, so I'm gonna take that as a yes. Basically, just I would be careful using this bag, but it is caviar leather, and she does say that if I do wipe it and if I take care of it properly, that it should not, quote unquote, turn yellow. But what sold me really was the gold hardware against the white, because it does look really fresh and classy. And then inside, I've got my authenticity card, but there is a pouch here as well as 3 card slots at the back. So literally you can just throw your keys, your lipstick, and then your phone in here, and you're good to go. But like, just look how cute this is. But yeah, so this is the bonus item that I did not plan to get, but I am super happy that I got, because I use pouches anyways. So this is a small leather good. I don't think I have any small leather goods from Chanel, so this is a good addition as well, since I don't have any white bags either. So I think this is gonna be very useful, especially in the summer, to kind of balance out my all white outfits, or my white outfits, white t-shirts that I always keep wearing now. So again, got the Herbag 31 Retourne. Obviously, if you have any questions regarding this bag, let me know, but I have not used it yet, so I can't answer any questions as of now about the use of this bag and how it wears. And then also I got the white Chanel pouch in caviar leather with gold hardware. That just, I guess if it's an all bag, but you can also use it as a clutch in itself, which is how I'm planning to use it. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. If not, then I hope you have a fabulous day.